Good evening, everybody. I'm the Daily Trader. It is February 8th. We are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla did it. We did it. We broke 198.12. We closed at 201.29. That's up $4.48. Now, 2.28% up. Post-market, we are even up by 17 more cents. We are up 2.28% compared to the market as a whole, which is down almost 2%. So Tesla is now outperforming the market, at least today. But let's see if this continues. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we have green candle. This is pretty smack on this steeper bullish channel, the steeper bullish channel. We thought we had lost it a little bit yesterday, but no, it's still there. It's still going strong. So nice green candle. I would have expected something a bit more intense, but I guess with the VIX that's climbing, it's still okay. But we do have a nicer candle that we have had for the past 5 days. These little bodied candle and with a long wick at the top, I don't like those. So here we have a nice body, a small wick at the top, a small wick at the bottom. Cannot complain too much about that. Let's take a look at the 1-hour chart to understand how this happened today. Basically, it happened on the first hour of the day. First hour of the day, boom, we crossed it strongly and basically went sideways. We retested 198 right here. We retested it right here. And we retested it here, even though we closed above it. Even though we closed above 198, we retested it. And then we started to go up a little bit, but now we are stopped at 202.80, something like that. In terms of indicators, everything is good. Stochastic at 88 on the 1-hour chart. Nice RSI, nice DMI. Coming back on the daily chart, let's look at our indicators. Stochastic at 98, super strong. RSI overbought. That's fine. MACD is great and DMI is great. So everything is all great. Let's hope that it continues. 198 was very important. It was very important. Now we can take a look at 205 a little bit because this congestion zone right here was stopping at 198. And this congestion zone right here sometimes stopped at 205 and sometimes it went down to 198. So next up is 205. Then after that, we should be good for a longer term move. It's not a long-term move, but a longer term move. Let's look at the VIX a little bit. So VIX is giving us a little bit of trouble. I know it's coming out of the channel, coming in, coming back out. This is a pretty strong green candle that basically retested this downward resistance as support. We closed at 1964, up 5%, up 0.99. And look at our stochastic right here. It's climbing a little bit. So let's hope that this does not go too far. Let's hope that we never get stochastic over 60, because when we get it, it usually means that things are starting to go up for good. If not, when we don't get stochastic over 60, we get something that does not go anywhere. So let's watch the stochastic over 60. Come back here tomorrow. I'm going to be here at 5 o'clock-ish to look at the VIX and Tesla and the other indices. Let's look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones is pulling back a little bit. I like that it's only pulling back 50% of the way. I like that. I like that we still have stochastic over 60. So not much to mention here. S&P 500 also putting back a little bit more. Stochastic is still good. And last but not least, Nasdaq Composite, basically a sideways day for Nasdaq. Just happy that Tesla finally broke 198 and it also broke 200, which some people think is the real resistance, but the real resistance was really at 198. Let's hope that the rest of the week is going to give us even more profit. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.